First fish. Nothing huge, but get the skunk off the board. Look at that little guy. Whipless crankbait.
I'm on that.
It's under the dock.
I'm not gonna grab a line.
There goes my worm.
You got it hooked, bud.
Got him? Attaboy. There we go. There we go. Look at that one, huh? Oh yeah, he wasn't going anywhere. Probably have to retow. Oh, you shoot. He hooked himself again. You want to hold that?
Yeah, very good. Two, hefty 2, 3. That's pretty 3. That's probably pushing 3.
I might have to go up through the gill. He's like right in the back of the throat.
Oh, it could have been. It definitely could have been worse.
He isn't going anywhere.
Oh
no, it hit hard.
Probably nailed it right in the head.
Oh, look, barely hooked. Look at that.
Well, he was driving so hard, he's probably pulling that hook. If you got it out, you can pull it off.
Not yet. Just gotta get the hook turned.
That was funny. It was like pissed
Pull
that
up.
you got it. And then I caught mine and pulled it in like right before you got yours.
There we go.
Yeah, I got it on the scale.
Alright, no blood, nothing.
Yeah, no problem.
Perfect, sir. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You got a big head on him.
His hook fell through the crack or so one of his hooks was cracked. Alright. Wait, I don't know. Yeah, I don't care. We're good. $2.11.
211, that's it. He's got a big head though. Starting to get the belly. Tell my friends it's 3. It's a fish story. There we go.
That's the biggest one.
No. Alright, so I just did an idiot move. I forgot to record the release because I did a picture. And I'll insert that here now. Need your pliers. Tank. Maybe. Right, some line.
He's stuck. That's a good one. Got him.
Got him. Bigger.
How is that not that big? He was stuck in the dog. I had to get him. Oh, I have a good landing. Yeah, he's stuck in the dock. I stuck my arm down there.
Yeah, I know. I was like, oh. Another goodie. We're gonna weigh this one too.
Why not?
This one's 211 also. You need to do scale.
Yes. Alright.
Could be the same fish.
We in?
Yeah.
Okay.
2.5.
2.5.
2.5. That other one is a lot bigger than this. Alright, we'll get this one on release.
This scale is old too. We've had that scale for like forever.
Or hey, you want to just do another picture before I do a release? I'll just leave the GoPro on this time. It's right on my tackle box there.
Straight out again, John?
That one was off to the side.
Okay, you want to do it sideways?
Yeah.
With the rod too. Sweet. Look at that amazing picture.
Perfect.
We look like pros out here.
Yeah, we are pros.
You are.
That's two biggies
Yeah,
today.
I think two plus 2 pounders in one day.
I don't think there's too many people that out here fish enough on a consistent basis.
Head shake.
Good pull, head shakes. Woo!
You need me?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, another one.
Nah, you can flip that. No.
No. Okay, he flipped it. Hey, we're getting bigger ones here, and it's all off of what? Wacky rig. And you're gonna tie on
One day I'll bring my spinning reel. Oh, there goes the same car.
Was that 5?
Knock that off.
5 fish for probably about 6 pounds.
Peyton, what are you at?
Right on the edge of that stuff. He ain't big, but it's a fish.
Well, let's see what we got for options.
Right in the top of the mouth.
I got a goofy looking.
Oh, and those weeds stink. She loves cleaning? Or is that like sarcastic?
No, I love it.
That's my wife too.
She likes mowing a lawn.
Vacuuming, yeah, and all that stuff.
Are you joking?
Nice one, John. Want to pack out of it?
Yeah.
That's the silk off the right there.
You should have timed the screw. You were working that thing too.
Old Dutch.
Come on.